Hey, what's up guys, John here. I was finally able to get a quality RS5 style grille installed onto my 2018 B9 S5. I apologize for the dirty car, I'm just filming this quickly before the gym. For those of you with the B9.5 facelifted Audi models, you already get the Honeycomb Grille as standard, even those of you with the A5. But those of us with the 2018 and 2019 model years don't get the same facelifted 2020 design. I think the Honeycomb Grille enhances the appearance significantly when compared to the standard grille. This aftermarket RS5 grille was purchased from Carbnlabs Motorsports, a company in Canada. They have grills for both the Audi A4 line and the A5 lineup. They also have a lot of other cool products. I get no money from them. This is just where I sourced the grille. My configuration was with the black optic style grille, black quattro script, chrome Audi ring, and a front camera mount. I chose the silver Audi rings because I love how they stand out, and in the end I decided to keep a lot of the chrome accents on my car. The lead time for the aftermarket RS5 grille took about 3 to 4 months. They did say that it would take about 8 weeks to ship before I even purchased the grille. You could probably source an RS5 style grille cheaper from a site like eBay. Then you risk getting a grille that is poor quality and you know it's going to be made in China. After I received the package, it still took me some time to actually get to installing it. Now, if you're going to ask me how was the installation process, it was painless because I didn't do it. I took my Audi S5 to HUS Collision Center in Virginia. Go check them out. They do paint correction, wraps, installation of custom car parts. They had no issue with the install and it was done in a few hours. If you want to do the installation yourself, there are videos online on how to do it. I believe it does involve removing the front tires. Fortunately, once you get such a grille installed, you will need your parking brake sensors and camera recalibrated if you have them. I know the Audi dealerships love to charge $600 to $700 for such a task. I have been getting a parking sensor error message occasionally, and that is simply due to the fact that I have to have the sensors recalibrated. So what are my thoughts of installing an aftermarket RS5 style grille onto your Audi? I love it. It is well worth the money. I really like the styling. And this S5 has RS5 like performance anyways, because I did do a stage 1 tune. So the sporty appearance is actually backed up by some real world speed. I do want to figure out a way on how to install a front facing S5 badge. Short of Velcro and super glue, there aren't really many ideas online on how to do this. I also think the black quattro badging is very hard to see, and if I had to do it all over again, I'd probably go with silver or just delete the badging altogether because you can't really appreciate it too much. If you guys enjoy Audi videos, check out my 1-year review on my car where I share the specs and finances behind owning an S5. I'm about to hit the 2-year mark next month. Definitely love this car. As always guys, stay safe out there. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.